Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets file that you need. If you want to freeze the row, go to the top cell above number 1. Click on the bottom border and pull it down under the first row. If you scroll down, the top row will be left frozen. You can move the border lower to freeze more rows. If you want to unfreeze the row, put the border back to the cell it belongs to. If you want to freeze the cell, go to the top cell above number 1. Click on the right border and pull it to the right side to the border of the column you want to freeze. If you scroll to the side, the column will be left frozen. You can move the border further to freeze more columns. If you want to unfreeze the column, put the border back to the cell it belongs to. You can also use Top Tools bar to freeze the row or a column. Click on View at the Top Tools bar. Choose Freeze from the list. Make a choice. Click on the option that you want to freeze: 1 row, 2 rows, up to current row, or the same options for the column. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!